Are you tired of your 9-to-5 routine or looking for extra income? Freelancing is a game changer, offering you the chance to earn money from home using your skills. In today's video, I'll share 30 freelancing ideas that are in high demand and can help you kickstart or grow your career. Each idea is practical and full of potential, so stick around until the end. Let's dive in. Freelancing opportunities, writing and editing. Blog writing is a high-demand skill. Businesses need writers to create engaging and informative content on topics like tech, travel, or lifestyle. Specializing in a niche can help you stand out. Copywriting is all about crafting compelling sales pages and landing pages. Every business needs a good copywriter to turn visitors into paying customers. Product descriptions are crucial for e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Shopify. Engaging and persuasive descriptions lead to higher sales. If you have a sharp eye for detail and strong grammar skills, proofreading is perfect. Help authors or companies polish their content. Converting audio files into text is a growing field. Podcasts, webinars, and interviews often need transcription services, which are simple to learn. Administrative freelancing services. Data entry is a beginner-friendly freelancing job that involves accurately entering and managing data for businesses. As a virtual assistant, you can handle scheduling, emails, and other administrative tasks for busy professionals or businesses. It's a versatile and rewarding option. Creative freelancing services. If you have a clear, engaging voice, voiceover acting is a great choice. Many ads, audiobooks, and podcasts need voice talent. Businesses need creative posts to engage their audience on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. If you're good with trends and design, this is your niche. With YouTube booming, creators constantly need video editors. This skill can be learned quickly and is in high demand. 5. Design and tech services. Graphic design, logos, brochures. If you have a knack for design, offering services like logo creation or brochure design is a lucrative option. SEO optimization for websites. Businesses want to rank higher on search engines. SEO optimization is a specialized service that can help them achieve that. Freelance web development. With businesses needing websites, web development is a high-paying freelancing field. Learn coding languages like HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to start. 6. Management and specialized services. Remote project management. Help businesses manage their projects remotely. Organizational skills and tools like Trello or Asana are key here. Resume writing services. Crafting resumes and cover letters for job seekers is a service with consistent demand. Offering personal coaching services. Are you skilled in a particular field? Offer coaching or consulting services online to help others achieve their goals. Email marketing campaign creation. Help businesses create email campaigns that boost their sales. It's a skill with high ROI for clients. Online research for businesses. Companies often need detailed research on competitors, market trends, or customer insights. This is where you can step in. 7. Niche writing and editing services. Proofreading academic papers. Help students or researchers ensure their papers are error-free. Academic proofreading is a specialized but rewarding niche. Writing and editing ebooks. Many authors or businesses need help writing and editing ebooks. This can be a long-term project with good pay. Social media and marketing services. Managing and growing social media accounts. Brands need professionals to grow their online presence. This involves creating posts, engaging with followers, and tracking performance. Creating and managing ads on Google or Facebook. Help businesses create and optimize ad campaigns on platforms like Google and Facebook. A great option if you're analytical and creative. Advanced freelancing services, selling your expertise as a business consultant. If you're experienced in a field, consulting can be a profitable freelancing option. Help businesses solve problems with your expertise. Freelance transcription for podcasts. Podcasts are growing and many creators need help transcribing episodes for accessibility and SEO purposes. Web hosting consultation. Help businesses set up web hosting or optimize their hosting plans for performance. Creative and technical services. Creating explainer videos for businesses. Explainer videos simplify complex ideas for businesses. If you have animation or video production skills, this is for you. Editing and proofreading academic dissertations. Assist students in ensuring their dissertations meet academic standards. This requires attention to detail and familiarity with academic guidelines. Creating custom infographics for clients. Visual content is key for businesses. If you're skilled in tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator, offer infographic creation services. Freelance app development. Mobile apps are in demand. If you know app development, this can be one of the highest paying freelancing jobs. Managing online communities or forums. Help businesses manage their online communities by moderating discussions, resolving conflicts, and engaging with members. These 30 ideas are just the tip of the iceberg. With dedication, skills, and consistency, freelancing can become a sustainable income source for you. And if you're curious to learn even more ways to earn online, click the link on the screen to watch my next video. In it, I'll share advanced strategies and insights to help you scale your freelancing career. Don't miss it.